at that. Wow. Heat exchangers plug. There guys, we have this blower wheel from the furnace. It's really dusty. So that flashing code is 33 flashing code for the furnace. It's always pop up the limit switch. So the heat exchanger is plugged for dust, and this blower wheel is plugged solid too. Because cause for problem with nobody's putting a furnace filter into it. So yeah. So make sure guys you have a filter change every 3 months, 2 months, it depends. Depends how clean your house. To clean this heat exchanger here. Ah, look at that. Wow. Ah. Imagine that color was before like that, and now it's flat, oh. Yeah, oh, there's a plastic there. Oh, wow. Careful doesn't break that. Lulusutin natin yan. Papasok tayo kasi hindi maayos paglinis pag hindi ka papasok. So kakasya kaya tayo. Ito yung timer guys. Clean the heat exchangers plug. It's a bunch of plastic too here, oh. Wow. There we go. Wala tayong mask kasi out of town ako na kalimutan ko magdala ng mask, hindi mo naman nakalain na ganito parang nangyayari. Guys, oh, ito yung after, oh. Alright, napakalinis na yan, oh. Dapat ganyan ang kulay niya, hindi yung kanina plug na plug, oh. Oh, it's a big motor, it's heavy. Alright, put this board back in. Grind tools, stubby driver. Alrighty. Alright guys, so the heat exchanger is clean and the blower wheel is clean. Right there. Pretty clean. So the problem is flashing code 33, so the problem was heat exchanger was plugged with dust. So yeah, so make sure you guys keep on mind on that one. If it's flashing 30 code carrier furnace, flashing code 33, so that means plug filter or plug heat exchanger, and the blower wheel, it's plugged too. So that's it for today. We'll run and see what's going on. Furnace number 14, so over here. There we go. Running the inducer. Grab something. Here, signature came on. There we go. Awesome. So the code number 33 is gone, so it's normal operation. Steady lights on, so perfect. Awesome. Guys, we got that furnace going through today. So number 33 code is gone. Alright guys, please follow my page and comment down below. Have a good day. Thanks for watching guys.